Guys, today we're going to be doing Python part 3. Leave a comment down below and subscribe and leave a like.
All right, Zachary. So you remember last time we were talking about variables. And this is a very simple variable example. Here we define a variable, we call it cup. And inside cup we put the value orange juice. So when we exclude the print statement.
Cup, it will say orange juice.
Lovely. So more on variable. I want to talk to you more about variables. So why we use variables in Python? Because of something very important that we experience in life, which is change. Change, this is one of the quotes I like. Change is inevitable. Means that change will happen either you like it or not. Change is inevitable. Growth is optional. If you want to grow, if you want to take the chance of this change to grow, it's up to you. It's up to you to grow, or it's up to you that this change suppress you. Like, this is what we're doing. Learning about Python is a change, but we are doing this to grow, to be stronger. So, before I want to talk to you about variables, I want to make sure that you understand these special characters first, because we're going to use this a lot in Python. So the name of this double quotes.
Double quotes.
Open parentheses, closing
parentheses,
colon,
exclamation mark, open closes,
open curly brackets,
open colon brackets, and closing colon brackets, curly flower.
No, not flower,
asterisk or flower, or comma, period,
semicolon,
percentage, as.
No, don't worry about this. This is called slash, backslash,
and equal, plus, minus, hash, equal, equal to.
Not equal to.
Unequal to.
Not unequal. This is called less than.
Less than, equal than.
This is equal than. Come on, you don't know these two sides. This is this is less than and bigger than. Less than, greater than.
Greater than. Then it will be
question mark,
and then money.
Not money.
Money
it's
sign.
Dollar sign.
Dollars.
Variables. Constant. Variable. Constant. What is variable? Variable is anything changing in life. Like what?
Human.
Like our age. We're aging. Our age is a variable. Like
toys.
Time. Time is a variable. Like the moon, the night, the day. All these things are variables. Right? Now it's night. Another 6 or 7 hours is going to be a day. Now you are 9. Next year you are 10. This is variable. Things are changing. On the other hand, constant. What's constant? Your passport. Now you have a passport information, right? You have some pictures. You have some data. This data will be constant for a while. It's not absolute constant, but it's gonna be for a while. Your name, your pictures. So let's do this example. Imagine that you have in your class, you wanna say print. Print. Good morning. I'm gonna say good morning, Zach. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing for all your Hanifa,
Hayat,
Ahmed,
Zubair, Hayat, Zubair, Ryan, Anaya,
Teacher Fozia.
Teacher Fazia,
Zachariah.
Hannah.
Okay, so that's enough. So now look at this. We want to say print, good morning, Zach, good morning. So imagine that now it's morning, but tomorrow evening we want to change all this. You gotta go there and write good evening, copy this,
Shift,
command.
Command C, Command.
Okay. Beautiful. Execute.
What does that mean?
Run. Beautiful. See, now we're going to define a variable. This variable will make our life much easier. Because, we know that time now, see, I told you, time is a variable. Day and night is a variable. So we want to define a variable, we call it time, equal, we're going to put in this variable morning. And here, instead of adding the time in the statement itself, we're going to make it as a variable using the curly brackets as you see here. But we have to tell Python that this is a variable, so we use the prefix f. So now Python will use the value in the time variable.
And
now,
then when you
you're gonna copy the same
press
thing.
run, it'll say morning first.
Yep.
Right.
See, good morning, Zach, because morning is assigned to the variable time.
But if I want it to be good, I have
So replace all this. Yes.
to
So
do
right
that.
here.
But then I could just do that. So just to remove everything and then replace it with time. Then when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna do.
This will break it.
I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Time.
You don't need to write it, just copy and paste it.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
So now when I run it, it'll say morning.
Nope, it will not, because we missed the prefix, the F. The F has to be before the
Then why
statement.
did you get that?
Because
Oh,
we missed
yeah.
the prefix
So the
F.
F.
It has to come before the input itself.
So what does that mean?
So this is the input of
Oh
the function.
yeah. I
Don't change it. This is working. Don't change this. This is okay. This is the only one is working. So leave it. Command Z. Undo. Undo what you have changed here.
Command C.
This is the only one is working. Now fix the other to make it working as well.
F.
Yeah? Where are you gonna put the F?
Right there.
No. Look at line number 2. Where is the F in line number 2?
Before it.
Before it, yeah?
All of them?
See, once you write the F, you'll find that the time color changed from green to black. This means that Python knows, oh, that is not I'm not gonna print time. I'm gonna print actually the value of time. All right.
No, wait, why is this one?
This is called autocomplete. Beautiful. Now run.
And now when I run it, I'll say good morning.
Change this to say good afternoon. Good. Run. Nice. You got it.